Turn off your iPhone for 5 minutes? Here's why. Over time, your iPhone keeps temporary files, background processes, and system tasks running. While iOS manages these very well, occasionally restarting your iPhone can refresh the system and resolve minor issues. To do this, open the Settings app. Tap General. Scroll to the bottom and tap Shut Down. Now, drag the Slide to Power Off slider. Wait for about 5 minutes before turning your iPhone back on. To power it back on, press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. After your iPhone starts up, you'll need to enter your passcode before using Face ID or Touch ID. Restarting your iPhone can help clear temporary system memory, stop background processes that may be causing problems, and fix minor issues like slow performance, app glitches, or temporary network problems. It can also help if you're experiencing issues with Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, cellular data, or apps that aren't responding properly. Keep in mind that turning off your iPhone won't delete your photos, apps, messages, or any personal data. It's simply a safe way to refresh the operating system. While you don't need to do this every day, restarting your iPhone once a week or whenever you notice performance issues is a good habit. And that's it. A simple 5-minute shutdown can help keep your iPhone running at its best. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips, tricks, and how-to tutorials.